Hello, welcome to another Dr. Pie video.
So what have you been up to this week then? Go on, show us.
Well, as you can see, I've started assembling the CNC project. This is going to be the first prototype. I've decided to make this one on the very miniature scale and then save the SBR20 rails and my new NEMA 23 motors for a bigger proper project, which I'll probably use aluminium for. So I've been assembling this in my garage with the plywood, 12mm plywood, and yeah, here you can see progress at last. Right, here we go. I've SSH'd onto my Raspberry Pi. I've got a motor script, Python script, which is made from the Adafruit MotorHAT code example on the Adafruit website. So it's all screwed together, not completely tightly because I may have to take it apart again just to straighten things up, get everything nice and level. So the two hats you can see there. The white, yeah, excuse the soldering, I need to tidy that up. Those are to extend the distance between the Pi and the NEMA 17-step motor. Two power supplies, one for the Pi, one for the top hat. I can run the top hat without having to power up the lower hat, which is interesting. So, excuse the dirty laptop, needs a clean. SSH from my Chromebook onto the Raspberry Pi 2, and I'm just running 100 steps. Not massively exciting, but it's progress, and there we go again. When I tested it, I had potentially two motors on each hat, which meant there's a choice of four that I had to try and identify which of the four motors to run. So I went through and I changed that number in brackets, the 100. I changed that and I run the code for all four of the motors. Kit 1 and Kit 2. Kit 1 is the upper hat, Kit 2 is the lower hat. So you've got the kit, which is the same, which is the hat, and then you've got the stepper, so you've got two steppers potentially connected to each hat.